good morning. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be getting the Maverick and bringing it back over to my house to clean it up. I plan to just get it nice and clean, vacuum out the insides, clean up under the engine bay and stuff, so I can start taking some pictures of it and just post it to see, you know, what kind of offers I can get for the car. So that's my plans. I'm probably not gonna record when I'm driving the car over to my house, because my goal is to be listening out for every single thing that's going on in the car, so I'll know if there's anything that I need to take care of. So I'll just pick up recording once I get back to the house and with cleaning it up and stuff. And just like I said, hopefully everything goes smooth with the drive and I can get the car clean, and we can go ahead and get these pictures and get this car posted so I can hopefully start getting some offers out there for it. So I'll come back to the video once I guess not when I get up to the shop, but when I get the car back over to my house. So it's several days later now. See, I still got the car at my house. Just started it up, let it warm up. What I also did that I didn't show is I put the wipers on. So I got the wipers on it. Still clean. So just wanted to kind of show the car. Let me show you the inside of it. Get a chance to clean it up, like I said. So me go ahead and let the car warm up and then I'll close the video out. Give you a little rev on it real fast. Alrighty. Video you saw, I got the Maverick cleaned up. Still got it over to my house right now. This is where it's gonna live at probably until it gets sold. So I don't have much Maverick content left, but you see the car is ready and I still got a lot of stuff to do with the C10, so that's gonna be my main focus. So thanks for watching. Click on that subscribe button if you haven't. Click that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.